Welcome to our kitchen. My name is Katiana and this is my mom, Melissa. Today we're going to be making delicious almond pancakes. Now let's jump to the ingredients.
Here we have 1 3/4 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, aluminum-free baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, but we substituted with the chia, so these are the 2 chia eggs, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and 3/4 of almond milk. And this is all you will need to make delicious almond pancakes. We're going to substitute the egg with chia seeds. To make 1 egg, you will need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 2.5 tablespoons of water. So this recipe calls for 2 eggs, so we are going to double the recipe. So you will need 2 tablespoons of chia. Now we'll add 5 tablespoons of water. And you can kind of mix it in, but you don't have to. The chia will kind of just soak up the water. And then you want to let this sit about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes until it reaches an egg-like consistency.
So we're going to take all these ingredients and put it in the blender and blend it until it's nice and smooth.
So now we're just beating it a little bit. Sometimes after you blend it, if it's a little bit too thick, you might want to put a little bit more milk. Or if you want it, thick, if you want your pancakes thick, you can leave it as is. We want them a little bit thinner on the thin side. So we poured a little bit of more milk and now we're just whisking it by hand. So we are using a ceramic skillet for our pancakes. We have greased our skillet with a little bit of plant-based butter. And Katiana is going to scoop out with an ice cream scooper our pancakes because we want them nice and round. You want your heat to be at medium. Okay, you don't want it too low, but you don't want it too high because you don't want your pancakes to burn on you. These are not like regular pancakes. They're not going to bubble on top and let you know when they're ready to be flipped over. So you have to keep a close eye on them because you don't want them to burn. And what I do is I kind of lift a little bit at the bottom and see how they're cooking. These are going to take a little bit longer to cook too because the almond flour is a lot more thicker than regular just wheat flour. After you make your delicious pancakes, you can garnish them with your favorite toppings. Enjoy! I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and please let us know when you make it and share it with your family by leaving a comment below. May God bless you.